Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon now. Lungs anatomy and physiology. The lungs, intricate and essential organs of the respiratory system, play a critical role in ensuring the body's oxygen supply and removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. The anatomy and physiology of the lungs are closely intertwined, enabling the efficient exchange of gases that sustains life. Anatomy of the lungs. The lungs are paired, cone-shaped organs located within the thoracic cavity. Enclosed by the rib cage, they are separated by the mediastinum, a central partition that houses the heart and other vital structures. Each lung is surrounded by a double-layered membranous sac known as the pleura, which reduces friction during breathing. The right lung is divided into three lobes: the upper, middle, and lower lobes. The left lung is slightly smaller due to the space occupied by the heart and is divided into two lobes, the upper and lower lobes. The lungs are further subdivided into segments, facilitating precise surgical procedures and aiding in diagnosing lung diseases. Respiratory pathway. The journey of inhaled air begins through the nasal passages or mouth, where it is filtered, humidified, and warmed before entering the trachea. The trachea, commonly known as the windpipe, is a cartilaginous tube that extends into the thoracic cavity. It branches into two smaller tubes called bronchi, which lead to each lung. Within the lungs, the bronchi further divide into smaller bronchioles, creating an intricate network known as the bronchial tree. This branching pattern facilitates the distribution of air to all regions of the lungs. The bronchioles continue to divide and eventually lead to clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli and gas exchange. The alveoli are the site of gas exchange. These minuscule sacs are surrounded by a network of capillaries. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses across the thin alveolar walls and capillary walls into the bloodstream, binding with hemoglobin in red blood cells. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, diffuses from the bloodstream into the alveoli to be exhaled. The exchange of gases is governed by the principle of diffusion, where molecules move from areas of higher concentration to areas of lower concentration. The large surface area provided by the alveoli and the thinness of their walls optimize this process, ensuring efficient gas exchange. Pulmonary circulation. The heart's right ventricle pumps oxygen-poor blood into the pulmonary arteries, which carry it to the lungs. In the lungs, the pulmonary arteries divide into smaller vessels that accompany the bronchial tree. These vessels eventually reach the alveoli, where oxygen is picked up and carbon dioxide is released. Oxygen-rich blood is then transported back to the heart via the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. From there, it is pumped into the left ventricle and subsequently into the systemic circulation, supplying oxygen to body tissues. Breathing mechanism. The process of breathing, or ventilation, involves two phases: inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is an active process that requires the contraction of the diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. The diaphragm contracts and moves downward, while the intercostal muscles elevate the rib cage, expanding the thoracic cavity. This expansion reduces air pressure within the lungs, causing air to rush in. Exhalation is usually a passive process, where the diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax. This decreases the thoracic cavity's volume, increasing air pressure within the lungs and causing air to be expelled during strenuous activities, or when additional forceful exhalation is needed. The internal intercostal muscles and abdominal muscles contract, aiding in pushing air out. Regulation of breathing. Breathing is regulated by the respiratory centers in the brainstem, primarily the medulla oblongata and the pons. These centers respond to changes in blood pH, carbon dioxide levels, and oxygen levels. Chemoreceptors in the arteries and brainstem monitor these variables and send signals to adjust the rate and depth of breathing. Lung diseases and conditions. Various lung diseases and conditions can impair the lungs' function and structure. Some common examples include pneumonia, inflammation of the lung tissue, often caused by bacterial or viral infections. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, A group of progressive lung diseases, including emphysema and chronic bronchitis, characterized by airflow limitation and breathing difficulties. Asthma. Chronic inflammation of the airways leading to periodic episodes of wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Lung cancer. Abnormal growth of cells in the lungs, often linked to smoking and exposure to carcinogens. Conclusion. The intricate anatomy and physiology of the lungs enable the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, vital processes for maintaining cellular function and sustaining life. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for diagnosing and treating lung-related conditions, as well as appreciating the remarkable complexity of the human body's respiratory system.